DanielRivera.
I'm Francisco Gutierrez.
And the title of our project is Choco Loco.
I'm Marcel Terrones.
And I'm Adrian Montano. And the objective of this project is to find the maximum volume of a trapezoidal prism for our jumbo chocolate box.
For our trapezoidal prism, we use the horizontal net.
In the beginning of our project, we reduced 1 inch from our poster from 28 inches to 27 inches.
We did this to create a flap to connect the top base to this side of the prism to construct our trapezoidal prism.
One of the first equations we used was x plus big B plus x plus little b, which adds up the two sides with the two bases, which equals up to 27. We reduced it down to big B plus little b plus 2x equals 27, and subtracted 2x to 27 to simplify and solve for x.
So after you've solved for x from the previous simplifications, then you will get the first part, which equals to 27 minus 2x divided by 2 of the complete volume formula for the trapezoidal prism, which would completely equal out to 27 minus 2x divided by 2 times the square root of 3 divided by 2 times x times 22 minus the square root of 3 times x. Which right here represents the width of two of the rectangles that we will use, which will fold up and end up being on the sides of the trapezoidal prism.
In order to find the height of the trapezoid from the base, we use the special right triangle formula from the formulas you must know.
In order to find z, we have to determine that since h equaled the square root of 3 divided by 2 times x, that z would equal 22, which is the total width of the poster, minus 2 times the formula for h, because h would happen twice since there are two trapezoids on each side of the paper. Okay. The remaining 4 variables we used in this project are little b, which represents the width of the top base of the trapezoidal prism, which is 16.6 centimeters, big B, which represents the complete width of the bottom of the trapezoidal prism, which is represented by 29.82 centimeters since it adds the x divided by 2 of these two right triangles. H, which represents the height of the trapezoids, which are on both sides of the bases of the trapezoidal prism, represented by 9.57 centimeters. And finally, z, which is the complete length of the trapezoidal prism when it is folded up, which equals 36.6987 centimeters. So after all the calculations have been made and all the math has been solved, I will now snap my fingers on OCL's count of 3 to have not the Choco Loco chocolate bar, but the special limited edition peppermint flavor into Paco's arms.
1, 2, 3.
Now finally, after all the math done, we have got our final product of the Choco Loco peppermint flavored candy bar. Thank you.